Hey guys, so I just finished a video doing a pageant look for the Perfect Face. Using all the Perfect Face products. I am now going to clean all my brushes and I was going to show you how I do that. This is going to be a really quick in and out video, but a lot of you have kind of asked how I clean my brushes in the past, and so while I'm cleaning them I might as well just kind of show you. I'm not going to do all of them just because once I do a few, you'll get the point. But I am going to clean my Beauty Blender as well. Beauty Blender is with the Beauty Blender Cleanser Solid, so nothing too crazy with that. And then for my brushes, I am using the Cinema Secrets brush cleaner, and I highly recommend this, not only to makeup artists. Sorry, I'm staying on my tippy toes, so I'm not like just my head. I seriously recommend this to anybody who wears makeup just because this will last you a long time. It is expensive. It's like $39, but it lasts you forever, and I feel like because I've been cleaning my brushes more, my face hasn't been breaking out as much. Plus, if you are a makeup artist, it's perfect for clients. Like, it makes perfect sense to have it, and I don't know how I lived without it for so long. So, let's get started. Hi, I'm back. You're just lower. Okay, so I promise this towel is clean, but after I've washed so many brushes with it, it has just gotten stained. So I used this cleaner from Cinema Secrets, which I just told you guys in the little intro. I'm not going to show you because I will spill it, but just like maybe a tablespoon or two out. I'm going to clean this brush from MAC. Okay, so I dropped the phone, but my brushes are clean and they're good as new. I can go use them right now if I wanted to. So I know that's like a really short video, but that's a short process of how I clean my brushes. So hope you guys like it. Again, if you need anything else, any comments, questions, or concerns, or anything that you'd like me to review, try out, test, whatever, please let me know, and I will see you guys soon. Thanks, guys.